Hello and welcome to my channel, I Know Gadgets. I'm here to review the OUKITEL ABEARL P5000 Pro, a high-powered and efficient backup power solution. This power station packs a massive 5,120 wall-life VPO4 battery and 4,000-watt output, making it perfect for both home and outdoor use. With 1,600-watt UPS, 3,500 life cycles, 120-volt/240-volt split phase, and 1,800-watt fast AC charging, this device is capable of powering essential devices in your house for up to 7 days on a single charge. It also offers amazing solar charging capabilities with a maximum solar input of 1,000 watt and 99% conversion efficiency. In addition, it is lightweight and portable, weighing only 33 ounces, and comes with durable and crack-resistant solar cells. With all these amazing features, the OUKITEL ABEARL P5000 Pro is sure to keep you ready for anything. Check out the link in the description below to get yourself a unit. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more reviews.